Okay, about to remove the blue tape from this knife project here. These were the handles beforehand, and had a few issues, and they broke pretty badly. I'm going to save these for a future project, but I redid it. This project has been on my bench for far too long, and it's time to reveal it. So let me get some better lighting here. Now this glue is not 100% dry, it's still a little bit tacky, and that's okay. That's kind of how I want it because I still have to come through here and clean up some of the excess glue. But first we're going to remove the tape while the glue is still tacky. And see if I find a good end to do that with. Do this here. This is always my favorite part. It's removing the tape. So I'll get some better footage of this knife in the daylight. But I figured I'd bring you along for removing the tape. Now I will come back through. Like I said, I'll remove the glue. But today is just tape removal. Go ahead and move this tape up here. Now this is not a brand new knife, this is a used knife. This is a friend of mine, or it belongs to a friend of mine. He asked me to do this like about a year ago. Sorry Chris, I didn't mean for it to take this long. The funny thing was I actually had this done before River was born, and then it broke. And this project is what's been keeping my other projects getting backed up. But now that this one's done, I can focus on my other ones. So I just need to clean up the blade a little bit, clean up the glue, and there we have it. Again, I'll get some better pictures later. Nice petrified wood knife grips on a Schrade. Simple knife.